Hello and welcome to the channel for Applied Language Technology. My name is Tuomo Hiippala and I work at the University of Helsinki in Finland. In this video, I will tell you about the learning materials available on this channel. These learning materials have been designed for absolute beginners and to teach you Python and the basics of language technology at the same time. If you have a background in computer science or language technology, you might find some of the materials fairly simple. But that's only because they are intended to be accessible to the broadest possible audience. As the name of the channel suggests, these materials focus on applications of language technology. This means that you won't learn how to implement algorithms from scratch, but how to apply them in practice. A link to the learning materials can be found in the description for this video. The first part provides a minimal introduction to Python and Jupyter notebooks, the environment that we use for learning Python and language technology. The second part, working with text in Python, focuses on manipulating text using the Python programming language. You will also learn how to perform basic natural language processing tasks using a library named Spacie. The third part, natural language processing for linguists, focuses on the applications of language technology to the study of language. I hope you find these videos useful, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below. See you soon.